Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos.
In this video, you will learn what is MongoDB and what are the advantages of MongoDB over RDBMS. Then why use MongoDB? First, let me define what is MongoDB. MongoDB is an open source document database and leading NoSQL database. MongoDB is written in C++. So to learn MongoDB, what are the prerequisites or required? You should have basic understanding of database, text editor, and execution of programs. It will be good if you have an understanding on the basic concepts of database. Now let me see what are the advantages of MongoDB. The first advantage is schemaless. MongoDB is a document database in which one collection holds different documents. Number of fields, content, and size of the document can differ from one document to another. The second advantage is structure of single object is clear. The third one is no complex joins. It has lightning fast. And the next advantage is replication is very easy. The next advantage is you can perform rich queries, can create on the fly indexes with a single command. The next advantage is it is ease of scale out. The next one is it uses internal memory for storing the working set, enabling faster access of data. Then why use MongoDB? It has document oriented storage. That means data is stored in the form of JSON style documents, and it has auto sharding, and it can perform rich queries, and it also supports professional support by MongoDB, and it can contains index on any attribute. Then where to use MongoDB? MongoDB used in various technologies such as big data, content management and delivery, mobile and social infrastructure, user data management, data hub. So these are the key points where we use MongoDB and why use MongoDB and the advantage of MongoDB over RDBMS. So thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.